Hi everyone, it's Gail, and it is July 24th of the hashtag Jelly Postcard Play Challenge by Ceri the Crafter. So here's our postcard. I'm going to flip it over. Here is our jelly print, and you can see why I've grabbed a bee. It's got a wonderful little, kind of looks like a honeycomb on there. So let's give this a bit of glue stick and get it down first things first. Okay. Yes, it's got a beautiful honeycomb, and I really love these colors together. So very fun. I think I might need to give it a little haircut though. Needs a little trim. Got it a bit big for the postcard, but that's okay. Okay. So now we are going to take this ticket, which says 24 for the 24th of July, and we'll put it on. And I am going to put it, down here kind of sideways. Now we could go this way too. And maybe we shall. I don't know. I like it either way, to be honest. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to give it a little bit of inking to take away the white from fussy cutting it out. Okay, and then I like that, like that. I guess it's a as you please kind of postcard. You can have it horizontal or vertical, whichever makes you happy. I'm going to go this way. I'm giving it just enough room to get his leg onto the card. Okay, there it is. Again, a very simple one, just a couple of elements, but there's July 24th. So thanks so much for watching, everyone. Have a grateful day. Be kind always. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.